I am slow traveling the world while retired, and here are 10 things you absolutely must do when you first enter your Airbnb. Now, I'll tell you this because many times it's not the host at all. Hosts are way smarter than this. Many times when this happens to guests, especially guests from America in foreign countries, it's the cleaning staff. It's the staff, not the host. So therefore, you must take the effort to protect yourself. 1, check for any damage to the property. And that's a given. You already do that. But take photos and videos of every room before unpacking. Test the front door locks and make sure they work properly. 3, confirm you have the correct Wi-Fi name and password. 4, check that smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are present. If they're not, determine how you could allow a small amount of fresh air into the unit while you sleep. 5, inspect windows and balcony doors to ensure that they lock securely. 6, make sure appliances such as the refrigerator, microwave, stove, and coffee maker are working. 7, find the emergency exits and review any emergency instructions. 8, verify that valuables listed in the description, the TV, safe, washer, etc., are present. And this goes for art, exclusive and expensive art that may be hanging on the walls. 9, confirm the checkout instructions and use house rules. 10, if you find any problems, report them to the host immediately using the Airbnb app and include photos.